Dance, beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to Dance, Beautiful People. My name is Dawn, and I shall be your hostess. All right, my beautiful people. This is another wonderful get ready with me video. Okay, I have an event to attend and I need to get ready. And as always, I usually give myself maybe an hour and a half to get ready when I really should give myself 2 hours and a half to get ready. Seriously, like I need to add more hours. But anyhow, let's watch this process before and after. This is always like the hardest part. And on the bottom, you saw how the hair looked afterwards. Um, but this is always the hardest part. Okay, after I wash my hair and I condition it, and I look at my hair, I'm like, oh my gosh, how is this hair gonna look like? But anyhow, please take notes, relax, enjoy the video as I get ready. And I also want to talk to my single people out there, my single Christian ladies, about dating, okay? About what to say, about the do's and the don'ts and what to say. I want to share some knowledge with y'all, okay? Because you all know me. I love to share, okay? I love to go into the Word of God. I get my resource, my knowledge, my wisdom straight from the Bible. And I am the kind of person I want everybody around me to win. Everybody who listens to me, who follows me, okay, who's my subscribers, I want you all to win in this thing called life, all right? So, yes, as we watch the video, guys, I'm going to break it down into if you are dating, okay, even if you're not Christian, but if you are dating, these are some fundamental questions, okay, that I think it's important to ask to know if somebody is really after the heart of God, because there are so many frauds out there, okay, there's so many frauds, but we are going to basically know the separate the truth from the lie, okay? Ready? Take your notes. My beautiful ladies and gentlemen out there, okay? Because this video could really go both ways. And please, I'm going to ask you to share this video, like this video, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Now, no longer are we going to tell somebody that we are a man of God when we meet them. No wonder are we going to tell them that we are a woman of God when we meet them. Nope, we're not going to do that. And I'm going to tell you why. No longer are you going to say that you're looking for a man of God. You hear me? No longer, gentlemen, are you going to say you're looking for a woman of God. You hear me? Because it's like the biggest no. It's like saying to a man, and I'm sure, ladies, you have heard me, okay? And speak to me. Who out there have heard this? It's like saying to a man that you like flowers. All right. And then the first few weeks of dating, he's going to bring you flowers every single time. Speak to me. It's like telling a man, oh, I like ice cream. Okay. It's like telling a man, oh, I think guys who are funny are so sexy. And guess what? He's going to be looking up jokes to tell you. He's going to be doing all of these things. No. So no longer. Listen to me now. No longer are we going to tell a man. Ladies, pay attention, please. I beg you. This is going to save y'all. This is going to save somebody out there. This message is for somebody. No longer are you going to open your mouth and say, oh, I'm looking for a man of God. No, you're not. No, you're not. And this is what you're going to do, okay? And listen to me now. Take your notes. Instead of saying, I'm looking for a man of God, or saying, oh, I want a man to go to church. All right? Because when you say that, you are literally letting the guy know exactly how to break your walls down. And what we want to do, we want to separate the real from the fake. Okay? So instead of asking a guy, do you go to church? Instead of asking a guy, are you a man of God? Listen up. I have 4 questions, okay? 4 things you need to ask him that's going to let you know exactly where he stands. Let you be able to separate the real from the fraud. You ready? Okay. Number 1 is, I want you to ask this guy, how do you stay connected to your faith community? Rewind. How do you stay connected to your faith community? Now, this question, when you ask the guy, okay, it opens the door for him or her to mention their church attendance and involvement You hear me? So the question is, how do you stay connected to your faith community? Okay. So if he's a man of God, okay, if he's a man who goes to church, he's going to talk to you about his church. Okay, if he's a man who serve in the church, he's gonna tell you, "Oh, I attend Bible groups. I attend, single groups. Okay, I am the usher at my church." You hear what I mean, ladies? Do you understand this question? How important it is? It is you asking the guy if he's a man of God without you actually saying it. It's you finding out if he attends church without you asking him. We have to be really, really smart and guard our heart like the Bible say. Okay? Number 2, the second question, okay, that you guys could ask the opposite sex when you are dating, when you are getting to know somebody, okay? Like I said, we are not going to tell them that we are a woman of God or a man of God. We are not going to tell them that we are looking for somebody who is into God or Jesus Christ. No, we are not. What we're going to tell them is that we are spiritual. Okay, just like the world be saying, "Oh, I am spiritual." Right now, okay, we are spiritual. Yes, I'm looking to develop my relationship with the high being. We are not gonna let them. No, nothing. We are just going to follow. Just sit back, look cute, and follow them. Okay. I'm telling you, y'all, I'm out here trying to save somebody out there. Share this video, please. Share. Number 2, the other question that I want you guys to ask, okay, that's going to help you to separate the fake from the real, okay, is what does your involvement in the church or faith looks like these days? Okay, this one could be a bit more specific, okay, asking about church. Now, once again, what does your involvement in your church or faith look like these days? Now, this question, my beautiful people, this casually blends both attendance and serving within the church. Okay? All right. Number 3, the third question, okay, that you could ask the opposite sex is, do you have a home church where you like to fellowship or stay active? Rewind. You're going to ask that man, do you have a home church where you like to fellowship or stay active? Rather than asking him, do you go to church? Where do you go to church? Or rather than saying to him, "Oh, I need a man to go to church. My man must go to church." Of course, he's gonna say yes. He goes to church. Come on now. If he wants to sleep with you, if he wants to be with you, of course, he's going to tell you everything that he thinks you want to hear. But by you asking him these questions, okay, it is a gentle way. It's a gentle way to ask if they attend and possibly serve, okay, at their church. Once again, number 3 says, do you have a home church where you like to fellowship or stay active? And last, okay, number 4, last but not least, I want you to ask that man, how do you stay engaged spiritually? You know, these are for the men or women that you're gonna meet out there that's gonna say, "Oh, I'm a spiritual being." Okay, all right, cool. Now ask this guy, do you guys like the hair, by the way? Do you see my transformation, y'all? Do you like my dress? If you like my dress, like I was telling you guys in the last video, check me out on Instagram. Go onto my Instagram channel, DunsBeautifulPeople, all one word. Okay, DM me and I'm going to send you the link of this dress. I actually have this dress in another color, okay? But this one is the leopard one. So DM me, go on Instagram, follow me, DM me, and I'm going to send you the link of this dress, okay? But moving on. Number 4, I want you to ask this lady or gentleman that you're trying to get to, okay, that you're trying to connect with, all right? Ask them, do you like to stay engaged spiritually? Do you connect with a church or any ministries? Do you hear me? How do you like to stay engaged spiritually? Okay, do you connect with a church or any ministries? All right. So this right there, my beautiful people, this gives them the space to talk about both their attending, okay, in church, and also their servicing in church. Okay, so these are all little ways to go around, okay, to go around. And I know I said I was gonna give you guys 4 questions, but a fifth one just came to me. A fifth one just came to my mind. Okay, and write it down, please, please. Number 5. Write this down. Now this one, okay, will talk to you about their passion. And it goes like this, okay? Ask them, are you part of any church communities or ministry that you are passionate about? Okay? Are you part of any church or ministry that you are passionate about? So this will help you in terms of knowing about their passion and involvement. My beautiful people, my beautiful ladies, my God-fearing ladies and men out there. No longer, I'm telling you right now, do not tell somebody, ooh, do you like this? Look at that. She's feeling herself. Ooh, that looks cute. Yeah, Dawn, you did it. I'm loving this short hair, girl. I'm loving this short hair, y'all. So yes, we are not going to tell them, oh, I'm a woman of God. I'm a man of God. Because that's literally giving somebody a script, okay, of how to get to your heart. And we need to guard our heart. Let me tell you something. I was talking to this guy, okay, and he knows that I'm a woman of God, okay, and he knows that's important to me. Do you know every single morning I receive a Bible verse from dude? Every single morning I receive a Bible verse from dude. But yet, dude never go to church. He hasn't been to church in like years. And do you know what his excuse is? Oh, I was waiting for a woman like you so that I could go to church to bring me back to church. I was waiting for a woman like you. Yeah, block. By the blood of Jesus, you are blocked. Oh, my beautiful people, let me know your thoughts about the hair, okay? I'm telling you all, I am getting better by the day. I am loving this. Let me know your thoughts about the hair. Let me know your thoughts about these 5 questions that I just shared with y'all, okay? Please follow, like, subscribe. Yeah, she got to do a little dance, y'all. You know, that this was my dress. I'm telling y'all, get this dress. This dress is so sexy and so casual, not casual, but you know, so sexy and so what's it called? What's the word I'm looking for? So like dressy and elegant at the same time, you know? I'm telling you, get yourself with that dress. Let me know on Instagram. Go on Instagram, my page under DunsBeautifulPeople, and I'll share you the link with you, okay, guys? But yes, please listen to me now. We want a man of God, yes, but we do not want a fraud. We want the real deal, okay? And I love each and every one of you by the love of Jesus Christ, and I want us to win in this thing called dating. And it breaks my heart when so many of us Christian people, okay, with good heart, good intentions, we get used and abused by the frauds out there. No more. See you in the next video. Dance, beautiful people. Mwah. Take care.